in my bag, bro.
I can put it in my bag.
Yeah, how?
No shit in your stuff. Put it here.
They got an empty bag, bro.
Yeah, cool.
God, bro.
I have like almost half of the stuff, like, you know, the pants, I got like the shirts.
Yeah. Oh, no.
Yo. Yo.
Wait. Turn your head a little bit this way. To your left. Now look at the road. Move your body a little bit. To this way. Look a little to the yeah. One. Two. Wow. That shit was fire. Look. I like it. Yeah, the road looks mad far though. Okay. Oh, another white one. A white one. Oh yeah, there's a lot of mushrooms here. It's because of the water, you think? Nah, mushrooms grow in like, in shit. So that means they probably just shitted a lot here. That shit is deep, bro.